Hey loves, in this video I'll be showing you how I style these braids. For the first style, section the braids in half. You're going to catch the front section into a ponytail. Okay, after you have catched that into a ponytail, you're going to wrap it into a bun. Make sure it's secure. There you have it. You have a half up, half style going on. For the second style, it's just the same as the first one, but just without the bun. So I chose to add a gold hair tie around the ponytail. I think it makes it look super cute. Gather the braids into a ponytail and wrap the hair into a huge bun. I don't know about you, but I love big buns. This is one of my go-to hairstyle in braids or on my natural hair. So for the last hairstyle, divide the braids into two sections. Start by plaiting the braids all the way down to the ends. Do the same thing for the other side. Now place the plait on top of your head and pin with bobby pins. You can add this flower headband to give it an elegant look. Oh, oops. I forgot how to add the headband. Anyways, this is the last step. It's optional also. You don't have to add the flower headband if you don't want to. So yeah, that completes the end of this tutorial. Comment down below and let me know which hairstyle was your favorite. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.